Hi Mellow Nation. As you guys can see by the title, Box of Crayons actually has a fake palette. Now I know what you're thinking, the original Box of Crayons palette wasn't that expensive at all, so why pay for a fake? And plus, the Box of Crayons palette was always like out of stock because people went on freaking frenzy on YouTube and everyone started, you know, buying it and all this stuff, so it's constantly unavailable. So I just went with fake. This does look kind of similar to the original. Pan sizes are hella small compared to the original. The Box of Crayons does say eyeshadow, as in like the letter I and then shadow, which is cute. Which I think the real one does too. Here are the shades, very uniquely named, as you can see. Green is green, blue is blue, orange is orange. So let's get started. I'm actually pretty excited. I have not swatched this palette just yet. It's been in my, you know, to review palette pile for a while. So let's do it. Here's blue. Ooh. We're gonna try that again. Okay, here's blue. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3. That's better. Okay, we're gonna do 3 in each pan just to make it even. I don't even have to show you guys a close up on this. This, you can see it from there. But just in case you guys want a little close view, wow. I don't know how this would actually appear on your eyes though, because you would have to layer and layer and layer and then also use like an eyeshadow primer or some kind of base before you lay these down just so they can show up. Because I know I'm going to compare like this red shade, for example. If I was to just dip into it one time, it would be like a pinkish, it looks almost like a completely different shade. So it definitely definitely depends on how much layers you have. Like I did 3, as you guys can see. Then we're gonna try on my thumb this blue shade, just one little swatch, and that's how it looks. It looks like an eyeshadow topper, like it's very sheen, and that was just one. Like it's not even showing up on camera. Like it's super light. This red got everywhere. It's kind of like when you wear red lipstick right before you start making out. That's what happens. So here's yellow, 2, 3, black, 1, 2, 3, brown, 1, 2, 3. I am pressing relatively hard just so you guys can see the pigment. Just see some pigment, I should say. So here's the black, and then brown, and then yellow. It's going to be right next to the brown. This is chunky as hell. I'm just letting you know. You can see all of the powder blowed away, then it's not there anymore. But yeah, yellow sucks, black sucks, brown, you guys can see what it did to the pan, especially in the brown. Look at the brown. 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm doing orange, violet, and baby blue. Which is these 3. Now I can actually do one on this finger. I'm gonna do purple, 1, 2, 3 on that one. So we have 4 colors. I didn't mean to use my pinky. Hell, that swatched beautifully. I never say holy hell. I don't know what was my initial reaction. What? Blue. Oh my god. These ones are beautiful. Orange. What? I'm not even like overplaying this, guys. Like, holy moly, these are beautiful. The purple actually shows up more like a lilac than anything. It's very sheer, which I think is actually pretty good in a way, because if you did have like a really overpowering, like super pigmented purple, you can definitely blend it out with this shade in this palette and it would look so pretty. Is life. Oh my god, that's so pretty. And this purple and this orange, my goodness, this is so cute. Pink, and tan. Cut it out. Ooh, these did not swatch at all. I did 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and this is what I got. Nada, nothing. You can see the pink if I tilt it this way a little bit, but there's 2 shadows here and they're ghosts. They're not there. What? That's crazy. The pink and the tan did not show up at all, even with 1, 2, 3, and I applied similar pressure to every single shadow that I swatched so far. So this is the second row. No, so far my favorite shadow in this is that baby blue shade. Wow. Wow, I love that shade. It's so pretty. Okay, so next I'm going to do the last shade. Technically, yeah, that's right. Last shades, but last row. So that's what they catch the light pretty well. Okay, so that was it for the eyeshadow palette box of crayons. So leave down in the comments what you guys think about this palette. What are your favorite shades? What shades that you absolutely hated? I don't know. Just leave a comment. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.